YOLO Reviews here, and today we're going to show you how to fix a broken toilet paper holder or remount a toilet paper holder if yours is broken and keeps pulling out of the wall. So you can see this is what was there in the wall, and you can see these two existing screws just weren't holding in. So I need something that's going to hold this in place, and this is going to be sturdy with people pulling on it, and we're not going to have any issues. So what you get, and what the alternative option is, what's called a toggle, which we've got right here. So you put the toggle in the wall, and then it expands, and then you're going to tighten the toggle down, and then you can see that's going to give you a nice firm grip on the wall. Okay, now I've got the old screws out and I've got my toggles in here. I want to make sure that I have my toggles on the actual screws themselves. Make sure they're on a couple turns, and then I'm going to put both of these into the holes. So I'm going to hold down on the actual toggles and put those into the respective holes for this, and then push in. And what I want to do is push in here, okay, so that both of those engage on the back side of the wall. And then now that those are engaged, I'm just going to put kind of like a screwdriver back here to keep tension. And you need to like pull out or keep tension to keep those toggles so that they are actually going to take up the slack in the screws here. So I can feel this one at the bottom. I felt the top one engage, and I'm just making sure that I get the engagement on the bottom one. And one way to do that is with the tension on these. So pull out, and that's going to make sure that, there we go. I can feel the tension on that bottom one now. And because these are essentially grabbing onto the rear of the wall, you need to have some of that tension in order to get so they're not just loosely turning their back behind the wall, which is what can happen. Okay, and we just keep doing that. Go a couple turns with each side. Okay, keep pulling, and eventually we won't need to because it'll have a firm grip on the back side of the drywall. There, that one's gripped in good. And so is the bottom one. Make sure I've got this level, and I can feel now that is nice and secure. I'm really pushing on it. So now I've got the bracket mounted, and we're just going to take our piece, and sometimes these have a set screw that has a normal flathead. Sometimes it's a Phillips, sometimes it's a hexagon, but there's a little set screw right here. And what we're going to do is just hang this on. You want to back that set screw out. So doing that right now. And you can see there's the set screw. We backed it out. That's where that's going to go. And then there's a ledge on the top here. So I put the ledge on the top of this here. Then I've got my set screw, and I'm just going to tighten that up, and that's going to give us a nice firm grip then on that bracket that we've got installed. So here we go. Give it nice and tight here. Okay, that's on that bracket good. And now our toilet paper holder is fixed, and that is nice and strong in there. I'm really pressing on it. That's going to last for a lot of years to come. With those togglers, it's heavy duty. It's going to take the abuse of people pulling on this. And you can do the same thing for towel bars and anything else, but we've got that in there now, and we'll see you next time.